Helping you with the chicken.
Okay, gracias.
Stay with us.
Hola.
Hola.
Welcome, how are you? Any food tonight of the stay?
Use a ginger lemonade.
Ginger lemonade? So welcome, Jim. Thank you.
You're welcome. Cheers.
Gracias.
Con mucho gusto.
This is. Hi guys, and welcome back to Lux Travel.
Welcome.
This is the third of our Costa Rican series. We hope you've been enjoying it thus far. So in this video, we're going to feature our experience at the thermal springs in Arenal area.
Yeah, I hope you've been enjoying the videos. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow and it costs you nothing. We've been getting a lot of questions about my Hans fan that she wears everywhere. So please see the link below in the description for a link to that fan.
Hi guys, welcome to our home for the next couple of days. We're at Tabacon and we want to show you around our room.
Okay. Good umbrella just in case it rains.
And it will rain.
It will rain.
So here it opens up into a sitting area.
Okay.
So nice comfortable seat in here.
You got the hiccups on.
I got the hiccups.
Alright, let's go.
So we continue on through and have a nice bench here for storage.
Luggage and stuff.
Yep, nice big bed. That's always important.
Oh yeah. With the big mom, you need a big bed.
Little desk area.
Okay.
Yep, another television.
Okay.
And then you have your coffee station that's here. So you know Costa Rica is very famous for coffee. And on this side you have a tablet. So everything is kind of controlled from this tablet. So all the reservations and so forth.
Okay. Oh wow.
And let's take a look at outside. So it opens up. And here into this, nice balcony, good seating area, nice table, and then you have the lush and beautiful forest, the rainforest. So amazing.
You can hear some birds chirping. Nice flowers.
And now let's go walk through towards the bathroom.
Okay, another look of the living room area. Very nice. Lots of luggage for us. We're traveling heavy.
Yep, typical.
Typical. What's in the closet?
So we got here, we got 2 robes.
Okay.
And we have another area. Let's see here. We got the safe and some shelving.
Okay.
You got the toilet area. And you got your nice shower, rain shower. So my hubby's favorite.
Oh yeah, I need the rain.
Your
Rain shower.
oversized jacuzzi here.
Oh yeah, we're gonna put that to use. We'll see.
And double sinks.
Okay. So I like this sink and then some, I guess, locally branded products. We gotta find out what those are.
And the vanity area.
Ah, with a nice small bench there.
Yes.
Good morning. So greeted by a light rain this morning. You can hear some birds. You can see how lush it is. Rain's coming around. Rainy season.
Right hand down, stack your feet. Forward, step your left foot behind you. first softening, bow in prayer, the humanity part, the cactus for strength, do the work, and then that authentic, confident stretch.
So it came back to our sweet, wonderful supply. Some chocolate covered strawberries, some Costa Rican coffee, and also a gift with the local Costa Rican coffee maker, so from Tabacon. So really, thank you. So breakfast time, having some beans and plantains and pastries that come in individually wrapped, and Hans having some eggs and plantains as well. Look around. The calm before the storm. So later on there'll be lots of folks at this pool. Right now it's fairly empty. Yes, so we're about to take a swim.
Yes, the daytime. The springs are actually open until 10 p.m. Last night we came and it was lovely. Very romantic, but obviously it's dark, so footage was not that good.
Yeah, we're about to jump in, so check this out.
We're walking back from the thermal spas to the rooms. So the rooms are on one side and the thermal spas are on the other side, and it's about a 5-minute walk, but you can also take the shuttle. It operates very frequently, but it's a beautiful walk as well. Returned from the springs, and look at this. The hotel surprised us with a beautiful cheese platter and a nice bottle of wine. Very nice gesture.
What are you having, hon?
Sea bass with some plantains and some vegetables.
Okay. And I have a vegetable casado. You can see with sea bass here, plantains, some beans, veggies, some rice. We're really enjoying the view.
So this is a Costa Rican sea bass ceviche. It's very colorful, looks very good. They're known for ceviche in this region, so I had to try it. And then Marv is having...
I'm having a spicy organic salad with sugarcane vinaigrette. It comes with some grilled carrots and sweet corn and some dill and some other things. So
it's very colorful, yeah.
So when you stay at the hotel, you also have access to the Shangri-La gardens. So let's go check it out, see what it looks like. Red bamboos are really nice. Here we are at the Shangri-La gardens, and it's exclusive for guests, hotel guests. So you also have a garden with some Japanese koi, They're really, really pretty.
One thing we've enjoyed is that there's so many places for you to relax here. You know, we're under one of the cabanas now, and they have different ones all around, scattered, and they're private. So you know, you feel if you're on your honeymoon or anniversary or birthday, what have you. And then you also have the springs. That is not one continuous spring, it's like several areas of the spring, so you know, you can have your private moment, just the two of you, if you know, if that's what you like.
Oh yeah, it's a great property. Really, really enjoying it. So looking forward to tonight. We're going out to have a drink tasting.
Yes, and then followed by a 7-course Costa Rican dining experience.
All right, so here we go. Thank you. Hold on. Sure, thank you. All right, thank you. Sure. So mini capres and some bread to start. So I got the pork with cassava puree, and
this is a portobello mushroom, also with the cassava puree and pico de gallo.
so this is the red snapper with plantains and mango salad. Looks great. So the next dish is chicken or hen with potatoes. Hands on in the same thing. This is the eye of the round with cassava chips. So beef and cassava chips. What's this, man?
It's a pumpkin risotto with asparagus.
Okay. So guava sorbet with tangerine. So finally, course 7, squash with pumpkin seeds, coconuts, and vanilla ice cream.
How many hours later, babe?
We on the 2 hours and 45 minutes later. We're almost out of here. You can just roll me. So my hun had the wine pairing with her meal, and it was a generous pour, so you can see she really didn't finish.
We just returned from dinner and it was a phenomenal gastronomic experience.
7 courses.
Yes, and it was delicious. Local Costa Rican type cuisine. We enjoyed it a lot.
Oh,
So
yeah.
we're tired, and I think it was like 3 hours, right?
Yeah, close to 3 hours, maybe 5 minutes short of 3 hours.
Yeah, it was incredible service that we received. So today we were supposed to do the drink experience, but the bar was busy, so we're actually going to do that tomorrow.
Oh yeah. So we'll do that tomorrow, and we'll also hang out by the thermal mineral baths as well.
And take some pictures.
Oh yeah, and then hit the road later on.
All right.
All right, good night. So last night we had a 7-course Costa Rican tasting menu. It was really, really nice. Enjoyed the very delicious, really enjoyed the flavors and the different selection, and had tasting 5 wines.
Yeah, it was 5. It was a lot. I couldn't finish it, but they were all delicious. It was actually from variety from France as well as Chile.
Yeah, so today we're on the way to breakfast now. So now we're gonna go eat and then do some more activities.
Yeah, and today's really nice. Like the sky's blue and the sun looks like it wants to come through. So lovely day.
It is. Let's go.
So having breakfast this morning, it's actually pretty busy at 8 o'clock. So a lot of folks get up early for activities. So breakfast looks good, quite a variety, fruits and some eggs and so forth.
Oh, check out the view at breakfast. Lots of folks here.
That's a shot. That's for the test here. You need to test here the first liquor for the make of the infusion.
Huh? For a shot. Cheers, man. What we have here?
Okay, we have a cheddar cheese and a Triumph cheese. There is an geographical protected cheese, guacamole. This one is the Triumph cheese, cheddar cheese, plantains. This is some nuts, guacamole, and this is some mushrooms.
And mushrooms. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That was very kind. Thank you.
Thank you.
All of these, all of these infusion you can make different colors. No, it's just for drink a shot. You can make like a mojitos or water sours. Very good. The mojitos like a flavor.
Yes. This one is the sour sauce.
Sour sauce.
Sour sauce.
Infused with what's
Our
it?
cacique,
Cacique.
Cacique rum.
Cacique.
the Costa Rica.
Sour sauce. Okay. What's this liquor?
Yes, it's a gin. North
Gin? Okay.
It's made in Galicia, España.
Okay. Spain.
España.
España.
We make infusion with pity flowers. It's like
Okay.
a pity flowers. It's like a butterfly flowers.
Okay.
It's the color is blue.
Okay.
Lady, if you want, you can start to make it.
Oh yeah. Go ahead, hon.
All right, here we go.
With this bottle. You can see right here the jigger. It has a line right here.
It's
You need to add 1.5 ounce.
1.5 ounce or 2 ounces. 1.5 ounce.
1.5 ounce.
one in
That's the infusion. Nor this with the flower for the flower. And then you need to add
how much tangerine?
aqua.
One to it. 1 ounce.
No, turn.
Ah, flip it.
Can you get up?
See,
In the first line.
the first line.
First line, hun. Oh, you can add extra for me.
It's too much.
Yeah.
See, it's too much. The man behind the camera, too much.
Oh yeah.
All right.
A
So,
touch.
Just,
sour?
no, lime.
Oh, lime. Yeah, sour. We're gonna add some tonic.
Tonic water. Purge.
The entire thing. Total.
No. More. Right, yeah. That's it.
See?
And then,
Oh wow.
it's
And now we stir.
Yeah.
Look at this. We are making a concoction. Very nice. All right. Ah, garnish?
Yes, that's a garnish.
Garnish.
A lime inside.
Inside.
And the last. One natural water.
And then we have the flour. Look at that.
And that's it.
Total. See.
Oh wow. That's awesome.
All right. Let's see.
Try it and see.
This is very nice. It's very refreshing. It's light,
Okay.
flowery. It's a beautiful drink.
Oh wow.
Awesome. Try it, babe.
I will. Cheers. So for the tasting, we did a cacique, soursop, mango pineapple, and chili garo.
I think so.
Chili garo. Well, it's time to leave Tabacon. We had a marvelous day. So what's next?
It's time for the next destination. Be sure to check out our other Costa Rican videos.
All right, and here's the final view.